Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we will be learning how to change your profile picture on Cider. If you want to update your look on Cider, whether you're refreshing your profile or just trying something new, changing your avatar is a breeze. First of all, open up the Cider application on your smartphone, or you may also visit the Cider website. Log into your account like you normally do, and then once logged in, tap the Me button at the bottom right corner. This will open up your profile section where you need to tap the camera icon right above your profile avatar at the top left. This will open up the My Profile section. Go to the camera button at the top once again, and then you have two options while uploading a profile picture. If you tap on Take Picture, this will open up your device's camera and you can take a picture of yourself. If you want to upload an existing picture, tap on Upload a Picture. And from your camera roll, select a picture you'd like to add as your profile picture. Adjust the picture within the frame and tap the tick mark at the bottom right. And there you have successfully uploaded a profile picture or changed your profile picture on your Cider application. Now your Cider profile has a new look. Updating your profile picture is a quick way to give your account a personal touch. And there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.